Hi everyone. Welcome to this video on the Weather Shopper Android app. It is designed to help testers who want to learn Appium Automation and practice it to improve their automation and programming skills. The Weather Shopper application offers a rich set of mobile-specific features and functionalities. With its help, you can practice various common mobile actions such as clicking on buttons and images, horizontal and vertical swiping scrolling, long clicks, reading element values, entering values in text boxes, selecting checkboxes, setting drop-down values, selecting main menu options, navigating horizontal navigation bars, navigating to other apps, writing different paths for selecting elements, and changing mobile orientation. I'm excited to walk you through the app, which serves as a practical project to learn mobile automation testing. The Weather Shopper app is available on the Google Play Store. You can download and install it from Google Play Store. Check the description below for the Google Play Store link. As soon as you open the app, you land on the home fragment. Here, you'll see the current temperature displayed randomly, along with a recommendation for either moisturizer or sunscreen depending on the temperature. To explore more, you can swipe horizontally through the pages or use the bottom navigation bar to quickly navigate. The moisturizers and sunscreens fragments show a view picture displaying various product cards, each featuring essential details such as the product image, name, description, and an Add to Cart button. Users can effortlessly scroll through the product catalog by swiping up or down and add items to their cart with a single click or a long press on the product image. A single click on the image triggers a zoom-in animation. The cart fragment provides a comprehensive view of the items added to the cart. Alongside the product listings, users can select items, delete them from the list, update the quantity, view the total price of the items, and use a refresh button to update the price based on the latest quantities. It also features a convenient checkout button for proceeding with the purchase. This is a simulated payment gateway designed to help testers explore payment-related scenarios and error handling mechanisms. Check out the drop-down menu for selecting payment methods. Currently, there are two options available: credit card and debit card. Input the card details to validate the payment process, including handling errors for invalid inputs and simulated payment failures. Let's take a look at the main menu now. It contains several useful links, including QXF2's website about this app, QXF2's automation framework, privacy policy, and Contact Us. The app navigates to other applications, such as the browser or drive, to open these links. The About This App option takes you to QXF2's blog page, where you'll find complete details about the app and a list of automation challenges you can practice. The blog also provides insights into how it can help you improve both your Appium skills and your programming skills. Be sure to check the video description for the blog link. Thank you for watching this video.